welcome back to my channel. Today's video is kind of exciting because I got new pair of glasses. I've been seeing bayonetta glasses everywhere, especially after, I feel like the first time I saw it was when 𝘀𝘀𝗀𝗶𝗹 was pictured wearing them, and I was like, she looks really good. And then I just like kept seeing people wearing bayonettas. They just all look so good, and I was kind of conflicted because bayonetta style glasses was like my first pair of glasses when I was in like elementary school, and they were pink and I hated them, and I never wore my glasses to school and I couldn't see the board, but I just lied. I was like, yeah, I can see. Everyone just looked so good, so I got a pair. So like while I was going through this, should I buy them, should I not buy them, 𝘀𝗶𝗹 actually reached out to me and was like, do you want to do a collaboration? And I was like, if you have bayonettas, then I will consider it. And they did. So they sent me these glasses and I put my prescription in them, and I put blue light reflecting lenses, and I like them. I don't know, it like took me a minute, but I like them. I have a 50% off code for you guys that I'll put right here, and I'll also put a link in my bio. So this is going to be a makeup tutorial to get this look, my like bayonetta glasses look. I took like a lot of inspiration from the makeup that 𝗀𝗀 kind of had on, because I don't know, she looked really good in it. Let's just get into it. So I've already done my base makeup, so things like my concealer and foundation. Now I'm just gonna go in and do my contour as well as set everything. For contour, I'm gonna take the Fenty matchstick, and I'm specifically gonna focus the contour on the kind of the bulb of my nose, because I find that when I wear glasses, the shadows can kind of make that part of your nose look bigger. So I'm just creating two lines right here, and I'm also gonna cut off the bulb and create like the bottom part of a triangle and shorten the length this way, the width I guess. And I'm just blending that in with my finger. Because this is a glasses look, I'm not wearing contacts, so I can't actually see properly right now. So like I'm kind of scared that my makeup is gonna turn out darker like than I wanted it to. And then I'm also going to do it slightly right here. And I'm gonna do the rest of my face. This I'm just gonna do it like normal. Cheekbones and my forehead. For my face, I'm taking a kind of denser brush and I'm just blending the contour into my skin. Now I'm gonna set the cream contour with a powder one, and I'm using the Art Class contour palette. Now I'm gonna set the rest of my face. For places like my under eyes, like the center of my forehead and my chin, I kind of want to brighten that area up a little bit. So I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Lavender Powder. And then for the rest of my face, I'm just going to use a regular pressed translucent powder. And I'm really going to make sure I'm setting my eye area right here, since I am going to be wearing my glasses, as well as my eyes and eyebrows, since I will be applying product on top of my foundation. Okay, so for my eyes, the first thing I'm going to do is apply this kind of light beige shade all over my lid and under eyes, just to have like a base. Next, I'm taking the Clio Pro Eye Palette, and I'm getting this shade right here, and I'm putting it in like the outer corners of my eye. And I'm also going to bring it down right here. So now I'm going to take this brown shade and I'm going to apply it to the corners again. And kind of like bring it into the eye sockets. I'm gonna take an angled brush in this shade right here, and I'm going to outline my lash line as well as create the outline for my eyeliner. I'm also going to take this highlight color and I'm going to brighten up the inside of my eyes. So now I'm going to do my eyeliner. I actually got a new eyeliner. I haven't used this before. It's the eyeliner that I usually is my favorite is the Can Make Tokyo Slim Liquid eyeliner, but I haven't been able to find it recently, which is why I was using I think it was the NYX, but I found that that wasn't as thin as I like my eyeliners to be, and also after a couple weeks it started leaking. This one is super thin, so hopefully it's what I want it to be. I'm taking an angled brush again and I'm going to sharpen my inner corner with the same brown color. Because the eyeliner is so thin, I'm actually gonna kind of define it with the eyeliner. So taking an angled brush, I'm going to redraw my lash line. When I was buying the eyeliner in my recommended, these double-sided pens, one side is this skin color and the other is a brightening kind of crayon formula, and it's for doing your 𝐲𝐸𝐴. And I'm gonna fill in the empty under eye area with the skin color formula. And I think I'm also going to line my bottom lash line. So now I'm gonna take the liquid and draw my 𝐲𝐸𝐴. Before I go in with the cream formula, I'm actually just going to take a lighter concealer and brighten up that area. Now I'm taking the sparkly cream side, just applying it to the front area right here. I'm gonna draw my eyebrows and I'm gonna keep it pretty natural. Just following the natural shape of my brows and kind of just filling in the empty spaces. Now I'm going to apply this mascara fixer. And then I'm just going to curl my lashes. And I find to get the prettiest curl, you kind of have to start at the base and then work your way up. Now I'm gonna take the Curl Fix mascara and I'm applying it at the ends first. And then I'm gonna work it into the base. Then I'm doing my lower lashes as well. And then I'm taking a toothpick and a lighter. I'm just gonna heat up the toothpick to clean up my lashes as well as keep them curled. This kind of melts away any excess mascara that you might have and clumps. The heat also just keeps your lashes curled longer. And then I'm also gonna press down my lower lashes so that they're not sticking up. I feel like lashes make such a big difference in your look because look at the difference between this eye and this eye. So for my blush, I'm taking this kind of deep berry shade, applying it right here under my eye. So with the angled brush and the darkest brown color that we used before, I'm going to contour my lips so it looks a little plumper. So what I'm going to do is kind of emphasize my Cupid's bow, lift my corners, and shade down here. So taking my contour brush, I'm going to take the kind of middle contour shade and just shade my upper lip. And then I'm also just going to apply a light pink color. So I'm gonna take a lip crayon and overline my lips. And then I'm gonna take a lip and just apply it all over. What I really like about this stain is that it gives a really natural glow to your lips. Now taking a white highlighter and a bullet brush, I'm just going to highlight my nose. And also the inner corners of my eyes. My brow bone right here.